fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up button in order to show support. When you thumbs up YouTubers videos, it helps to push our videos out into the algorithm. That way more people can learn of the amazing information that we share here on the platform. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So for those of you guys that do not know, your girl is an oil fanatic. I oil my body, I oil my hair, I oil each and every single part of my body, okay? I'm just gonna put it out there to you guys, okay? And there's a few oils that I absolutely love. A few of them being coconut oil. I also love tamarind oil. You guys, there are a ton of them that I love. So today I'm here to share with you guys one of my absolute favorite oils. This is an oil that you have to try out if you haven't already tried it, and that is jojoba oil. I'm going to be sharing with you all a few amazing things that you can do with jojoba oil, and I will also leave some jojoba oil listed down below for anyone who is interested in purchasing their very own. Now the one that I'm talking about on today is from Glam. This is the one that I've been using as of recently. I've tried a ton of different jojoba oils, but this is the one that I'm using currently, and it has worked wonders for my skin, for my body, and I've also been applying it in my scalp frequently, and it is absolutely amazing. Today I'm going to share with you all a few reasons that you should use jojoba oil, and you guys, it's just something that you should just put into your skincare routine, your body care routine, your everything routine, okay? What is jojoba oil? I know that this is a question that is going through a lot of people's minds. Where does it come from? What does it do for the body? Why do people like using it so much? The jojoba plant is a hardy perennial plant that grows in North America. Not only does it thrive in the harsh desert climates that can kill pretty much anything, but it also happens to produce a nut with many healing properties. The nut of the jojoba plant can be made into an oil. Hence why we have a jojoba oil. And jojoba oil is gentle enough to be applied to the hair and to the skin. It is also a great carrier oil that can be mixed with different types of essential oils in order to dilute them. Many people have put jojoba oil in their skincare routines because it's great for things like eczema, dry skin, and also acne. One of the first things that I can share with you guys about jojoba oil is that it's moisturizing. Jojoba oil is a humectant ingredient. This means that it works to attract water to the top layer of the skin, helping to keep the skin hydrated. This may help to prevent bacterial infections, acne, and a ton of other different things. Another thing that you need to know about jojoba oil is that it's antibacterial. Jojoba oil contains antimicrobial and antifungal properties. While lab tests have found that jojoba oil doesn't kill all bacteria and lab species, it does kill certain fungi, and also it helps to kill salmonella as well. Number 3, it's an antioxidant. Jojoba oil contains natural forms of vitamin E. This vitamin works with your skin as an antioxidant. This means that jojoba oil can help your skin to fight oxidative stress caused by everyday exposure to pollutants and other toxins. Number 4, it's non-comedogenic. If you ever worry about something like jojoba oil clogging up your pores, let me tell you, you don't have to worry about that. Although jojoba oil is a botanical substance, it is so similar to the sebum that your skin naturally produces. And get this, it is so similar to the sebum that your skin naturally produces that your body can't even tell the difference. This makes it less likely to build up on your skin and clog up your pores, which is a great thing, okay? Leading to fewer breakouts and less severe acne. On a molecular level, jojoba oil is a wax. Although it can in fact be absorbed into your skin, its waxy nature allows for it to create a soothing seal on the surface. And unlike other botanical essential oils, jojoba oil is known to be non-irritating. Allergic reaction with jojoba oil is extremely rare, even if you're someone with sensitive skin. And since we talked about the fact that jojoba oil is so similar to sebum at the beginning of this video, it also helps to control sebum production. This way you are not overproducing sebum. Jojoba oil regulates sebum production because it is so similar. When you put jojoba oil on your skin is soothed and moisturized. This sends the signal to your hair and also to your skin that your body does not need any additional sebum. This keeps skin from looking oily and also helps to prevent acne caused by clogged pores. Number 7, it may also help to promote collagen synthesis. The antioxidants in jojoba oil may help your body to produce collagen. Collagen is a protein that is found in your skin and joints as well as any other part in the body made of cartilage. Collagen levels decrease as you become older. So something like jojoba oil will become vital to you throughout your life, especially if you are in need of some extra collagen in order to plump up your skin and to look younger, beautiful, and more radiant in no time. But let me share with you all something that using jojoba oil has actually helped me with, and that is eczema. For those of you guys that do not know, your girl suffers with eczema. I am extremely prone to eczema just due to my genetics. So it's great for eczema, psoriasis, and any other drying skin conditions. Jojoba oil has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Topical application can help to relieve dryness, flaking, and many other different things. People who have inflammatory skin conditions like psoriasis or eczema may find jojoba oil extremely helpful, and I am a living witness that it will be helpful to you. And those are just a few reasons why you should use jojoba oil. It is beneficial to the skin in a ton of different ways, and if you haven't used jojoba oil previously, make sure that you check it out down below. This oil has too many benefits for you to be missing out on them, so hop on the bandwagon today, and I hope that you guys have found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button, and if you learned something new, leave your girl some stars down below. Show me some comment section love. And make sure that you always remember in all that you do to keep glamming.